Hello everyone, Cubics Data Recovery, and today I wanted to show you what not to do when you're dealing with data recovery. So a client of ours got an instructions, step-by-step instructions how to send drive in, that we need to send the drive in the box with cushion around, like bubble wrap and stuff, and not use envelope. Well, this person did use envelope, didn't bother to even like put any thick cushion in there. The only thing is, like, it is bubbled envelope, but it's really thin, very thin. It says fragile on it. Don't do this. Follow the instructions. Oh, look at this. It's an old Toshiba drive, but still, I mean, who sends drives like that? It's literally barely anything. Don't do this. Send drives in the boxes with at least like 2.5 inches around with the bubble wrap for peanuts, you know, the ones that are shipping peanuts. Don't ship drive in envelopes, never.